Imagine for a moment that a parallel version of yourself exists, one who holds a profound and transformative message just for you. This might sound like pure fantasy, but quantum physics suggests that infinite realities coexist simultaneously in the present moment. It's like tuning into different radio or TV channels, each frequency representing a distinct reality existing concurrently. Your thoughts, feelings, and actions act as the tuning mechanism, determining which channel you connect to. In this video, we will explore the fascinating concept of aligning with the frequency of your ideal self to receive messages from an alternate version of you existing in a parallel reality. Now, envision yourself at a crossroads with your life branching out in multiple directions. In quantum physics, this isn't just an abstract idea, it's a fundamental truth. Each possible path you could take already exists within parallel realities, much like TV channels broadcasting simultaneously. However, you only perceive the reality to which you are tuned. Your thoughts, feelings, and actions are the remote control determining which channel you experience. By shifting your internal state, you can navigate toward a reality where your dreams have already materialized. To fully grasp the transformative power of these concepts and learn how to align with your ideal self, watch this video until the very end. Each section builds upon the previous one, providing a comprehensive understanding and practical steps to shift into your desired reality. Let's begin. Movement. When you think about movement, you might picture a physical journey from one location to another. However, within the framework of parallel realities, movement transcends physicality. It involves navigating through an infinite array of still frames, each representing a unique version of yourself and your life experiences. Imagine a flip book where each page is a distinct snapshot of reality. As you flip through the pages quickly, the illusion of continuous motion is created. Similarly, every decision you make, every emotion you experience, and every belief you hold propels you through these frames of reality. Understanding this mechanism can empower you to take control of your life's narrative, recognizing that each moment presents an opportunity to shift into a new reality. Alignment. Think of aligning with your ideal reality using the analogy of a television set. Just as you don't create a new channel when you switch from one to another, you don't create new realities. You simply tune into them. Your ideal life, the version where you achieve your deepest desires and dreams, already exists within the realm of possibilities. The key to accessing this reality lies in aligning your personal vibration with that ideal version of yourself. This process involves more than just positive thinking. It requires you to embody the feelings, actions, and beliefs that resonate with your desired self. When you align yourself in this manner, you start to harmonize with that reality, much like tuning a radio to a specific frequency to hear a particular station. To dive deeper into this concept, consider your current circumstances as a reflection of your past vibrational state. Every choice you've made, every thought you've entertained, and every emotion you felt has contributed to your present reality. If you wish to experience a different reality, you must shift your internal state to correspond with the outcome you desire. Envision. To truly transform your life, you must first become acutely aware of your present vibrations and make conscious adjustments. The initial profound message from your future self is a powerful reminder that your desired reality already exists. It is not a distant or unattainable dream. Picture for a moment the version of yourself who has successfully achieved everything you've ever wished for. You are thriving in a loving, supportive relationship, enjoying financial abundance that allows you to live comfortably and freely, and radiating vibrant health and well-being. These scenarios are not distant aspirations, but parallel versions of your life that exist right now at specific energetic frequencies. To connect with these versions of yourself, you need to align your current thoughts, emotions, and actions with the energy of that ideal self. This process involves more than simply thinking positively. It requires embodying the feelings, behaviors, and mindset of the person you wish to become. Achieving such alignment necessitates a deep and resonant connection with your future self. It is about tuning your internal state to match the frequency of the reality you want to experience. Visualize yourself living in that ideal state, fully immersed in the experience of your dreams, as if it were already your present reality. Comfort zone. Aligning with your ideal reality often involves confronting and releasing attachments to your current reality. Your comfort zone, a familiar but perhaps limiting pattern, or even a toxic environment, can evoke feelings of safety, merely because it is known and predictable. Identifying what holds you back is crucial for progress. For instance, you might find yourself in a job that does not fulfill you, but provides a sense of security and stability reminiscent of past experiences. This familiarity, while comfortable, can also be a significant barrier to achieving your desired outcomes. Breaking free from these attachments requires stepping out of your comfort zone and embracing the unknown. It is a bold and courageous move that opens the door to true transformation. Reflect deeply on your life. What are the familiar yet limiting patterns or environments you are clinging to? How might these attachments be preventing you from realizing your full potential? Recognizing and addressing these limitations is the first step toward a profound shift. Your future self emphasizes the importance of letting go, releasing old patterns, beliefs, and situations that no longer serve your growth. This act of letting go is essential for making room for new possibilities and embracing the life you truly desire. By releasing these attachments, you create space for new, more aligned experiences to enter your life. Letting go. The power of letting go is fundamental to stepping into a new reality. This process involves releasing old beliefs, outdated narratives, and identities that no longer serve your personal growth or well-being. It's not about discarding everything familiar, but rather about embracing change and allowing for evolution and growth. To start a new chapter, you must first complete the previous one. This means bringing closure to old patterns, past experiences, and limiting beliefs that might be holding you back. Your future self strongly encourages you to let go of the past and trust in the transformative journey you are undertaking. By releasing these old attachments, you open up space for new possibilities and experiences. This act of letting go creates room for the magic of the unknown, the realm where your dreams and aspirations reside, waiting for you to claim them. Imagination. The second critical message from your future self highlights the transformative power of imagination and its significant role in identity shifting. Imagination is far more than a mere tool for creative thought. It acts as a bridge to alternate realities and serves as a powerful mechanism for creating and manifesting your ideal life. By vividly imagining the life you desire, you establish a profound connection with that parallel version of yourself who is already living out your dreams. Picture yourself fully immersed in your dream life. Visualize the details, experience the emotions, and engage with the environment as if it were your current reality. Your mind does not distinguish between what is real and what is imagined, so by consistently engaging in this practice of detailed visualization, you start to rewire your brain. This mental exercise helps align your vibration with the reality you wish to manifest. The more vividly you imagine your ideal self and your desired life, the more you reinforce the connection between your current self and the version of you who has already achieved those aspirations. By immersing yourself in this imaginative experience, you effectively begin to attract and resonate with the frequency of your desired reality. Resilience. Resilience is a crucial component in the journey of personal transformation and growth. As you align with your ideal self and venture into new realities, you will inevitably encounter challenges and setbacks. These obstacles are not just random events. They are integral parts of the journey that test your resolve and commitment. Resilience equips you with the ability to face these difficulties head-on and persist despite them. Cultivating resilience involves more than just enduring hardships. It's about embracing them as opportunities for growth and self-improvement. When faced with adversity, a resilient mindset views these challenges not as roadblocks, but as stepping stones that contribute to your overall development. This perspective allows you to adapt, learn, and evolve in ways you might not have anticipated. Gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful and transformative practice that significantly enhances your journey toward achieving your ideal reality. By cultivating a deep sense of gratitude, you maintain a positive outlook and develop an appreciation for the progress and successes you experience along the way. This practice involves regularly acknowledging and expressing thanks for the blessings, both big and small, that enrich your life. When you make a habit of recognizing and being thankful for the positive aspects of your life, you shift your focus from what is lacking to what is already present and working well. This shift in perspective helps reinforce the positive aspects of your reality and fosters an environment in which more good things can flourish. This recognition of progress boosts your motivation and reinforces your commitment to continue striving toward your desired reality. In essence, by integrating gratitude into your daily routine, you create a positive feedback loop that enhances your journey, supports your resilience, and aligns you more closely with your ideal reality. By deeply engaging with these 10 transformative messages from your future self, you embark on a journey of profound personal growth and alignment with your desired reality. Each step you take, rooted in awareness, alignment, and trust, brings you closer to the life you envision. Remember, your future self is not just a distant possibility, but a reality that already exists. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with this version of yourself, you bridge the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. Embrace this journey with an open heart and a curious mind, knowing that you have the power to create the life you desire. Every moment is an opportunity to shift your vibration and tune into the frequency of your ideal self. Trust in the process, believe in your abilities, and have faith that the universe is supporting you every step of the way. As you continue on this path, remember to celebrate your progress, practice gratitude, and stay resilient in the face of challenges. By doing so, you will not only achieve your dreams, but also inspire others to embark on their own journeys of transformation and alignment. So take a deep breath, embrace the messages from your future self, and step boldly into the reality you have always dreamed of. Your ideal self is waiting for you, and the journey to align with this version of yourself begins now.